Ever wondered how we can predict one variable based on another? How we can say with some degree of confidence what a person might weigh based on their height? It might sound like magic, but it's not. It's the power of regression analysis. Scene script. Picture this. You're in a park, observing people going about their day. You notice that taller people seem to weigh more than shorter ones. Intrigued, you decide to investigate this further. You start collecting data on people's heights and weights. Now you've got a data set, but how do you go from a collection of numbers to a reliable predictor of weight? Enter regression. In statistical terms, it's a method that helps us understand the relationship between two or more variables. In this case, the variables are height and weight. Regression analysis creates a mathematical model that best fits the relationship between these variables. It's like drawing a line of best fit through a scatter plot of your data. This line is the mathematical formula that represents the relationship between height and weight. So say you meet someone who's 6 feet tall, you can plug that height into your regression formula to predict their weight. It's not going to be spot on every time, but it gives you a reasonable estimate. So, in a nutshell, regression is a powerful tool that helps us find patterns in data and make predictions. It's like a crystal ball, but with math instead of magic. It takes in raw data, churns through it, and spits out a formula that can predict one variable based on another. To recap, regression is a statistical method used to understand the relationship between two or more variables. By creating a mathematical model, it allows us to predict one variable based on the values of others. In our example, we used regression to predict a person's weight based on their height. Remember, while it's a powerful tool, regression isn't perfect. It provides estimates, not exact values. But with a good data set and a well-fitted model, it can get pretty close. And that's the beauty of regression analysis. It turns observations into predictions, giving us a glimpse into the future based on the patterns of the past.